Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching my husband how to make cookies. I'm just gonna guide him through the process. Hopefully he doesn't mess it up and they come out good because I'm craving some. So anyway, with that being said, we're gonna get started. You're gonna start with the butter.
Okay, let me wash my hands.
Bruh.
So start with the butter. You're gonna use this.
I'm gonna use this right here.
Yeah, just scoop it out.
How much?
Half a cup. This, exactly this.
Like fill that up?
Yeah, fill it up. Oh no. Mrs. Spiros.
Oh.
Alright, so now you're gonna whip it. Whip it.
How does that get done? Just
Yeah.
stir?
Yeah, but you have to lock it. Retreat. Well yeah, I mean you can do it, but lock it too.
Where?
Over here. And it should look something like that. 1/4 cup of white sugar.
This one?
Yeah.
So this one? Two of these? No, this is the third, not an eighth. Where's the fourth?
That's all we have. You need to fucking buy me some. So we only have 1/3 cup of little things. So he's gonna have to manage. Oh, more.
More? You want more sugar, babe? This isn't enough? No wonder I'm fat.
Babe, that's half of that. 1/4 is half of that.
That's exactly
Keep
what
that. This is not 1/2.
I just thought I'd be conscious about it, you know?
That's what the recipe calls for.
Yeah, that's a half.
Okay.
Yeah, believe me, it's not gonna kill us and I have a quarter exactly. As a matter of fact, it might save our lives.
And then you're gonna add 3/4 of this.
Alright. Oh, shit. That's a lot. How do you even add 3/4? So that'd be...
So what? I mean, come on, basic math. You can do half of this. I mean, one full one and then half of it.
Is that good, baby?
Yeah, whip it.
Look at real good. Alright.
Hey, slow!
You told me fast.
I said whip it. I didn't say what speed.
Well, last time you said fast, baby.
Yeah, but that was the butter.
Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. I thought I had to, like, I thought I should have known this, I guess. My bad.
And then you're gonna add the applesauce.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
This is 4 ounces.
Yes.
Do I stop it or just add it?
Just add it.
That's a teaspoon, right?
Yes. Tablespoon has a B in there.
Look at that. She wants to really assert her dominance today.
Fill it up.
Shut up. Dude. See what happens?
I didn't do that shit. Like push it down. So get the, what is it called? The Swiffer?
Swiffer? Is it sifter?
The sifter.
The Swiffer. You get the Swiffer.
What?
The Swiffer.
Swiffer.
Is that what you call it?
What is it called?
Sifter?
Sifter.
I think.
Then you get the sifter.
I mean, you're the one teaching me.
I don't fucking know what that's called.
You grab one of these right here.
Yeah. And take it off.
Nice stuff.
You're gonna get 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking powder and baking soda, that's flour.
I just don't know what happened there. It's a tablespoon? Teaspoon.
Is it a teaspoon?
Yeah, it's actually a little bit more than a teaspoon, to be honest.
And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Hmm?
1 cup of flour. And now you swift it. Is that what's called? Motion?
I don't know, maybe. Souffle.
And then you have to add just a pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt?
Yeah, a pinch of salt.
Is that what you mean?
Just do like one shake or something. Do another one. That's fine. Fuck it. That's... You have to stir it like in slow motion.
Slow motion, alright.
Yeah. At this point, this is what it looks like. Go. And so we're gonna add more flour because it was still a little wet.
That's what happens when I'm the one making it. Things stay wet.
You wanna clean it up? You know what? It feels good telling him what to do.
Of course it does. Usually she just takes orders. Huh?
Sure.
Here, hold on to this. See what I'm talking about?
I fucking hate you with that. Just mix it with the no, with this. With the with that. He's wrestling with the dough right now, so you don't want to do that. You just want to do it gently. All right, that's fine. That's good.
I'm not wrestling with it. I'm just like, babe, I just added what's on the side. Let me just mix it in real quick.
Okay, just add the chocolate chips now. That's good. And we're doing a whole bunch of chocolate chips. Doesn't matter at this point because it's up to you. It's up to preference. So just drop the whole bag in there. The whole bag.
I got it, dude. What's the next step? I scoop them?
Yeah, scoop them. Yeah, but do it good.
That was good.
You wouldn't have lost one. You want to give them a little bit of space because they expand. Remember, you have to put the oven at 350 degrees.
Hey baby, can you put the oven at 350 degrees, please? Or do I have to do that too?
Yeah, you're doing the cookies. Did you know how to turn it on?
No, you know what? I don't know why it's flashing right now. 350. It's already preheated.
So that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you make the cookies and you enjoy them as much as we are.
Bruh.
Thank you for sticking around. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.